Be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe with you.
I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true, you know that all I want.
Good morning, guys. Hi. Okay, so today, it's like 5 to 7 or like 7 o'clock or so. Welcome to Vlogmas day 4. I can't believe I getting this done. It actually went good so far. Yesterday, trust me, yesterday was a lot. Today is not gonna be that much any easier. I have a lot of driving to do. I got up like 6:30. I just went to drop daddy out, and then Pooch is in the car with me. Like, Pooch, say hi. Pooch, tell everybody hi. Everybody morning. Yeah, he actually doesn't like the camera very much. But yeah, so plans for today, it's a lot of driving for the morning period. So I just drop daddy and come back. Then I have to go and drop Pooch home and then pick up someone to come back because we have to go to Sando. We have to get a lot of things today. And then not sure how long that's gonna take because we need a good couple stuff. Then after Sando, I have class for 5 to 8, and then I have a debate for that class. Not even sure. I'm really trying to reach way before 5 so I can like get time to prepare, practice, things like that. And yeah, that's it so far for the day. So it's a pretty packed day, pretty jam-packed day. Most likely if I try to vlog San Fernando, I would be going with the phone or with like the digital camera. I already have that on a tripod because I ain't going nowhere with my big camera for somebody to hit my lens or like snatch a camera from my hand, because I will trip. I will fall on trip. So we're gonna be using the phone, so sorry the quality is a little bit lower, but we'll make it do right. I'll get the best lighting as possible so it doesn't look so bad. So that's it for the day. So let's go start the day. So it's like after 10 and we in Sando and we're shopping, and apparently it is the second, so we're reaching, I think we get stuff. We in a dress store, so it's like dresses. So it's lunchtime and I decided no meat today, so I decided to eat mushrooms, chow mein and noodles. You guys, I legit just come back in the car. It is like 10 to 1. We reached like 10 to 10. But we got what we needed. Just daddy have to get some stuff, and daddy decided, hey, I can't make it to Sando today, which is means that I now have to come back to San Fernando tomorrow, which is just a whole other headache. So right now I'm actually going to go to class now, which is nearby, which is cool. But even though class is for 5 to 8, but I have to prepare for the debate, so that's cool. Thank God I bring my clothes and everything like that to change. That's about it so far. I'll update you in a little bit again. Alright, so it is, I'm gonna tell you the date time, 1:28 p.m. I'm not too long reaching school. I just eat like a pastry. I have some fresh juice going on here. This juice is raw good. It was $10 for this thing. It isn't real good. Fresh orange juice. I just had to comb my hair because I washed my hair this morning and then literally just leave it to air dry, and it was like a hella nutty situation. I'm just feeling so tired right now. I have clothes to change for a presentation outfit. I'm going upstairs to meet somebody right now. I have to make a call first, and then I have things to organize for school, like for the presentation later. Let me show you all what I'm wearing. This is good too. So it's like this t-shirt, and then we have this pants, and then we have my shoes. And honestly, the reason why I still have on the same shoes is because I'm too lazy to go in the car for the ballet flats, and because of freezing and I forget my jacket. So that's how we change it from that. Night, my peeps. I've just gotten home from class, not kidding. It's 7:45 right now. Thank God class finished early. So on a good note and a very happy note, the debate was awesome. It went super well. We won, of course, you know, we won, and that was great. On a bad side note, I am super tired, exhausted, stressed, and I have a long night ahead of me. Let me tell you the agenda for the night. Okay, so I just got home. I went to bed, but I can't. So I'm gonna eat. I am going to start work. I'm going to start to edit this vlog because that needs to be up, and that needs to just, yeah. I have a presentation for tomorrow, as I keep mentioning, and nobody decided to do the PowerPoint as yet. We're gonna see how that went. I have finished my parts, so that should, you know, I shouldn't be feeling the pressure, but other people didn't finish their parts, so, you know, and it's like, you know, and I'm feeling it so much, I still feeling the tension. Tomorrow is like a hella big day. Yeah, today I went to San Fernando. We did get most of the things we needed. We literally just have to get a couple things again. Other than that, things went well. What I'm thinking to do is end my vlog right, oh yeah, tonight. Oh yeah, let me tell you what I'm doing tonight. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna bathe, gonna eat, gonna edit this vlog. I am going to wash clothes as well because that needs to be done tomorrow. I'm already gonna be home. What else do I got to do? Yeah, can make some calls, and that's it. So I'm gonna end this vlog here tonight at 8:00. Although I'm gonna tell you, I'm not gonna be going to sleep early tonight. I still do want to try to get up to go to sleep early, but last night, let me tell you, last night I ended the vlog really early, but I went to sleep like minutes to 11, and I just
She says, oh yeah, she waiting for me to come by. I come for the bone, girl. You know I love that to eat. So grate the cassava and make it sweet.